Okay, so we've got the 328 in the workshop that obviously you've been following the work that we've done. But it's also worth noting and saying that this has been Max's first big job, because Max has been with us for 3-4 years now?
Yeah, nearly 3.5 was my course. So.
Yeah, 3.5, yeah, so 3 years.
Yep.
It's coming to the end of his qualifications, so your course is all linked with Bista Heritage, so this was kind of a perfect project for you, really, wasn't it? Because it's old mechanical injection, proper nuts and bolts, which is what's good about a 328, is they're a good nuts and bolts car kind of thing. So when we have a look at the car now, the finished work on the car, so this was big, Max, wasn't it? This is your first big job, really. So you've ticked off a lot of things on this job, haven't you?
Yeah.
Skill-wise.
A lot to do.
A lot to do. So we've done obviously the engine bay foam, so that's all been done in the back there. You've had all the inlet manifold.
Yeah,
off.
inlet manifold refinished, all the coolant pipes, air breather pipes, a lot of painting stuff as it goes back in. Fuel tanks nice and shiny and silver now.
Painting, cleaning, all that kind of stuff. And obviously, because Max is doing his apprenticeship and is coming to the end of it, there was lots of things that we wanted to get him to do, which was a benefit to the customer, really. One of them was obviously all the injectors, so they've all been checked, pressure checked, braking checked, spray pattern checked,
pattern, leak test.
Clean, leak tests. So this car has had a really good going through. Even all of the fuel tanks, we've had all of those out.
Yep. All fuel tanks been out, cleaned, repainted, so they're all nice and shiny, look good in the engine bay. New fuel pipes, new clips on everything. Everything's new, basically.
Yeah. So as you can see, the 328 is absolutely looking stunning, and the customer's over the moon with it, and it looks absolutely stunning. Drives really well. All of the hydrocarbons and the CO has come up absolutely spot on. We also had a problem with the 1 to 4 cylinder head as well, didn't we? Which was one of those jobs that just grew as it went, didn't it?
Yeah, so the customer requested a compression check, but unfortunately we found that cylinder 1 had had low compression, and after doing a leak down test we found that it had a exhaust leak on one of the cylinder 1 exhaust valves, sort of had to go a bit backwards, take the inlet manifold back off again, so I could get the cylinder head off, and then disassemble that, take all the valves out, camshafts out, all that stuff, so I could regrind the valves in.
So that's all sealed now. Obviously, because it was one of those things that we drove it before, but it drove okay. But now, driving-wise, it's got much more power, much more get up and go, and obviously hydrocarbons and everything is now all spot on, and it's obviously got a new beating heart in there that absolutely looks stunning as well, doesn't it? So well done, Max. That was a big first job. You've done it very well, and well done, and the customer's super happy with it.
Yes, thank you.